Alright, today I'm gonna be playing Jokesaken, but as chwaa, because a lot of people say I sound like chwaa for some reason. Hold on, let me do it. Disturbing the peace, look into my eyes. Now tell me the things that you're blabbing behind my back. The Tourette City. Okay, I'm here. Oh, I think the killer won. Yeah, he won, bruh. Rep upbeat. I'm just gonna use chwaa. Friday Night Blockson! I like on the library, by the way. Want proof? Fine, I'll show it soon. Can you feel the fury, that primal rage? It holds me back every day. This is with no release. Will you feel the fury? Please let it be the way that I can honor their names.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Who the hell? Oh God! Okay, he's attacking. Standing alone. Oh no! I missed. Oh no! I'm just gonna.
Jack and jockey.
Oh no! I didn't even. Oh dang! Disturbing the peace. Look into. Dude, do not. That's probably glitch abusing. What was that? What was that? Oh, the killer just attacked me. Okay, get a check-in.
That sounded stupid.
Alright, let's go. Alright, come on. If I get attacked. Oh, holy bro. Oh, no. Gotcha! No! Dude, no! The killer. Okay, he just died. He just died. Ding! I did it! Banter the killer with stats. Is he chasing me? Probably not. I can't. Oh, there's the dispenser. We need the dispenser to heal. Okay. I need a distraction. Okay, here. Nom. Oh, dang. This is fire. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Is that Builderman? I hate Builderman. He's making bad updates. Oh, wait. No. It's not Builderman that's making the bad updates. It's actually... I forgot his name. Sorry. Finally, I'm now like 45% HP. Yay! Now it's time for me to like up.
Master plan.
Kick! Hoo-yah! Oh no! Our sentry! It's broken! Ding! Gotcha. I did it. I bantered the killer with stats. I used my balloon door on the killer. I land balloon doors a lot, but not kicks. Oh no! He just broke the set. He just broke the dispenser. No. Okay. My kick is on cooldown.
Jack and
I am gonna go down if my kick is ready. Wait, hold on. Dude, no, he's dead. Okay, he's dead. No, he's right there. I'm gonna do that. Oh, dang it. My aim sucks.
Jack and Jockey.
Aw, man. The hitbox, bro. It's the hitbox.
Oh wait, perfect. From the mistake
Okay, he's dead. What a tragedy, bruh. He's dead. What a tragedy. Oh, man. Ooh, wish I knew. Hacker, everything. 100! Yes, got him! I landed my ball hits. I hit the killer. +1 mouse. Cool.
Jack and Jockey.
I did it. I've entered the killer with stats. Now I have +6 money. I love money. I like Bobucks more. I need Bobucks because I'm broke. I have 0 right now.
Jack and Jockey.
Nom 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 nom. Did it.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, he's dead. Hoo-yah! Gotcha! Gotcha. I've entered the door. Oh. All right. Please end round. He's the okay. Piggy is gone for 0 seconds.
It's already collected the 7.
Oh man, I wasted my balloon door. Please. No! Dude, what was I aiming at? I totally did. Oh wait, Piggy's gone for 0 seconds. 0. Okay.
Did I even get here in this first place? So far away.
Chwaa. How? Oh, okay. I'm just gonna make a part 2.